Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. You're back. You're braver than I thought. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Buttons, please don't crash. They look like
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Pilots, grab those controls. On the one's crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Good work, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. We need to know where they're headed. Right, engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. Look your own phone. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left, engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Bespin it is. Buckle up. Make the jet to light speed. City. Stay on his tail. Pilots, you're up. Watch out for that cable. Thank you, Eric. He's stuck to the ship. He's driving towards explosives. Got company. Fires incoming. Gunners, take him out. What's that right? Engineers, grab the tractor beam.
Smugglers indeed. Perhaps you would like more missions for Hondo.
Hondo, what did you do to my ship?
Okay, crew, now let's wrap this up. Quickly.
Bespin over there, I don't know.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine.
Pilot, just keep the ship steady, if you can. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. You're getting warmed up. Enemy scouts incoming. Now gunners, let's hope your pilots can dodge. Enough practice. We're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. We'll catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Left engineer, launch the homing beacons. You can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right engineer. Pick your destination. Fast. Bespin it is. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jet the lights big. They're heading for Cloud City. Stay on his tail. Pilots, you're up. Watch out for that cable. Dead Ferric. Stuck to that ship. He's driving towards the explosives. We've got company. Fighters incoming. What's that crate? Engineers, grab with the tractor beam. Let's try not to blow up Cloud City. Don't get into trouble. Keep steady so I can cut you loose. Bounty in hand. Prepare to leave. Fast. That's not a toy. Head for the clouds and hold on tight. Hit the boosters. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Unloading crates now. Respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the bounty to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, all right. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. I am ending this conversation. We are now ready to disembark.